Hi, hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel that is all about HR. So, today I would like to wish everyone a happy Bogi since I'm recording this video on a Bogi festival. So, yes, happy Bogi to you all, and may all your prosperities be blessed and this year get harvested with all the positive vibes for you all. So, today, coming to the video, so today it's a day 5 of learning Excel from beginner to expert level, and today we are going to look at the most popular function called XLOOKUP. That too, how do we do a lookup from one sheet to another sheet, and this is the same way where we can do from one workbook to another workbook. So let's consider sheet 1 as a workbook, some other workbook, and sheet 2 as a new workbook where you want to work. So for XLOOKUP, I would just do this equals to as usual and then click on XLOOKUP or take the cell reference as an employee name because we only have an employee name as a unique and no other details have been given to us. So select the range from here to here under the employee name. Since we are looking for the employee ID, so again select the employee ID column and select the entire range. Click on enter. Boom, you got your employee ID. And coming to the salary, same you need to do equals to XLOOKUP. Now since you got the employee ID, so you can take either the reference of employee ID or the employee name. Since employee ID would be a unique thing for us, so we will go with an employee ID and then come here, check with the employee ID, and then we are looking for the salary, right? Salary range. So again we scroll up and we select the entire salary range and click on enter. For selecting the entire range, what you can do, the simplest shortcut is click on shift plus down arrow key. So for the designation, again the unique thing what we can take is like employee ID, right? Comma. Now select the employee ID from top to bottom. Again give a comma since we are looking for a department or designation, sorry. So we will select the entire designation column and click on enter. So now this person is the developer. Swati Mattam is a developer and Anil Kumar is a developer, and Bhupen Prakash Ekholu is an associate. Shikhalar Suresh is a dev lead. Gangadhar Naik is associate again. So in a wise way. Now let's check it manually whether all the details are right or wrong. Since we can see here Swati Matam has occurred twice in a sheet, so always whenever we are doing a lookup, it always captures the very first data that it gets. So yeah, employee ID is 0553 and salary dev lead, right? Now coming to the Anil Kumar, just do a spot check. I'm doing a spot check. I'm not checking for all the professional name that has been mentioned in other sheet. Anil Kumar employee ID is 0276 developer 82, 027682 developer. And now Dasrat Dayam, I'll take it because it's just a random check I'm doing. And remember, doing a random check is not a crime, but it's like you being very aware about the data what you're working on. So employee ID is 0117 developer 244000 0117 244000 developer. Perfecto. So now I'll be attaching the same sheet for you people to work on a homework as well. So here you can do is like index plus match, but this one I would be explaining in my next video. But till then, yeah, keep practicing and keep growing yourself. And also like support me by clicking on the subscribe button and the notification bar so that you'll be the very first person to receive all the updates from the channel. And your support motivates me to create more of this kind of content. Thank you.